What's up everyone, I'm Rob Ace and today I'll be teaching you how to make your own glow-in-the-dark painting. To recreate this project you're going to need a few things such as an old picture frame, an X-Acto knife, and some cardstock paper. I also used rustolium glow-in-the-dark spray paint, which will cost you around $15, but they also have regular paint as well for those who want to paint by hand. Next step, we're going to make a stencil, so use that cardstock and X-Acto knife to cut out an image that you want. So I made a custom drawing for mine, but you can also find your stencil art online like this one through a simple Google search. Now after that, simply lay your stencil down and begin to spray lightly across the picture. If you spray too heavy, it'll drip or puddle and that can ruin the artwork. So I painted my picture frame black and coated it with the glow paint to make it look like a blank piece of artwork. But when you turn off the lights and turn on a UV light, it should look a little something like this. If you like this video, please consider giving me a follow and a like. And as always, I hope to see you again soon.